the packaging. As you can see, it has some baby hairs laid down already. It is also pre-plucked, so you don't have to do any extra plucking, and you can part it anywhere that you want. It's pretty easy to just pluck a couple of hairs and you're good to go. Here's how it looks in the sunlight, and I wanted to show this because it's in the color natural black, so it definitely has some like brown strands in there, and it just makes it look more realistic. It doesn't look so witchy, if you know what I mean. Here's how the cap looks underneath. Comes with some combs and then also a clip in the back. So right here I'm just washing the hair because it is human hair and I just like to wash it if it's human hair. So I'm just shampooing it and conditioning it, and then I'm going to let it air dry. So this is how it looks wet, and I'm going to apply a little bit of oil to it just because I don't want it to be too frizzy. So I'm using this Garnier Fructis oil to apply to the ends. So right here I'm just plucking it a little bit because I decided to part it on the opposite side of the way it was parted, and it was a little bit too thick in that area. So I'm just going to pluck a little bit, and then I'm going to add some foundation to the part. That way it blends in a little bit more, and you'll see in a second the way that it looks in the sunlight is so natural. You can't even tell that, well, you can barely tell that I'm wearing a wig right. So this is my current hair color, and as you can see it's really light, but my roots are dark, so that's easy to blend in with the wig. But for the light parts I add a little mascara to darken it. So this is how the hair looks after I brushed out all the waves, and I decided to straighten it because I like how it looks curly, but I just wanted to see if it could actually straighten and how it was and everything. So when I straightened it, it was so soft. It didn't shed, it didn't tangle, it didn't have static, and the most important part is it was thick enough to cover the wig cap. A lot of times you can see the wig cap in the back and it's just like too thin, but this definitely is a lot of hair, but it's not heavy to like weigh you down or give you a headache or anything. So definitely high quality. So because this is human hair, I didn't want to cause any more heat damage than I already was, so I put my straightener on low, so it's not straight, but it's straight enough for me. And here is the length difference from when it's curly to when it's straight, and here's how it came out. You can see a little bit of wave still to it, but that's alright. So here is how the part looks in natural lighting. As you can see, it looks very natural. And now on to the giveaway. This hair from VIP Beauty Hair. I will link their Aliexpress store down below, and I'll also link their Instagram down below. They are doing a giveaway. On this giveaway, there's a couple of people that could win, like a lot of people that could possibly win. So the rules are follow VIP Beauty on Aliexpress and also follow them on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Leave some comments. How you'll be entered to win is the Aliexpress store. Add the wig that you like to your cart, and then be sure to leave your email and your Instagram so they can contact you if you are the winner. So the first place winner is going to win a 12-inch wig, just like the one that I have on in this video, but it's exactly like this one. Sorry for all the noise. It's exactly like this wig. The only difference is it's 12 inches, so we'll come right about here. And for the wig, we'll have one winner. So second place is going to go to 5 different people. So for second place, you get a $30 off coupon off of their AliExpress store. So that's $30 off of anything you want in their store. Third place winner is $10 off coupon to 10 winners. So like I said, there's going to be a lot of different winners, and the winners will be chosen by VIP Beauty Hair on their Instagram, so make sure to follow to see if you won. So make sure you follow the rules because we will be checking, and don't forget to leave me comments, give me a thumbs up, subscribe.